Hi, my name is Amanda, and I am recording this. My first time ever recording myself singing, and I want to sing the song Caged Bird by Alicia. It's been a song that I've loved ever since I heard it. I identify with the song very much, and I hope everybody enjoys it. Right now I feel like a bird caged without a key. Everyone comes to stare at me with so much joy and revelry. They don't know how I feel inside. Through my smile, I cry. They don't know what they do to me, keeping me from flying. That's why I say that. I know why the caged bird sings. Only joy comes from song. She's so rare and beautiful to others. So why not just set her free so she can fly, 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 spreading her wings and her song. Let her fly, 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 the whole world to see. She's like a caged bird. Fly, fly. Oh, should let her fly. Should let her fly. Should let her fly. Spread wings, spread beauty.